Alright guys, welcome to my channel Money Matters. Today I want to give my view on the next possible move in the forex market. This is dollar index. Now as you can see, I've mapped out my levels, and we also saw that the dollar index rallied last week. It was expected. So by next week we are looking for a pullback. A pullback is needed for the continuation to the upside, if possible. Anything is possible in the market. So we must have that in mind, that the market may not respect your levels, may not respect your drawings. So as much as you place so much confidence on your analysis, also bear in mind that anything can happen in the market. Alright, so we are looking for a possible pullback. We've seen the pullback has started already, but I think it will still continue to this support level, this resistance that has turned support right now. Okay, because if you look at it, there was resistance there and here. So I'm looking for a possible pullback to this level for a continuation upward. And if we go to the 1 hour chart and see this, okay. So basically we are looking for a pullback to this zone for now. So this is just so from this zone we may see one more push up. Yes, because if you go to the weekly, you can see this is a massive push to the upside, and this level here, this level is the Fibonacci golden ratio, if you know what I mean. 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So I think the market may get to that point. So having that in mind, if we see a pullback, which I think will definitely happen, then we may continue the upside movement. But an invalidation may be if the market breaks below this support, then we may also see a further move to the downside. Okay, that's that on dollar index. So let's move to Euro USD. You know that Euro USD and dollar index is very correlated. So we are also looking for a pullback. Now we saw a massive movement to the downside on euro. Now we are looking for a pullback to this zone, to these levels. If you go on a daily, so after this pullback, we may see another drop. So this for Euro USD. For AUD USD, the same thing. We're also looking for a pullback. So if you know how to trade the pullback, you can go for it. And be careful, guys, when you're trading a pullback. So this on Australian dollar against the United States dollar. This is on the 4-hour. So we are looking for a pullback as well. Now, bear in mind that every dollar-related pair, as dollar index will be retracing, there will be retracement on every other pair, that is every other quote that has US dollar in it. For instance, AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, and so on. So and that's why dollar index is very important to know what is the next move on dollar, so that you can use that as an indicator to know what may probably happen on other pairs that has to do with dollars. All right, so you could let's move to CAD. Okay, now we can also see that USD CAD, that's United States dollar versus Canadian dollar, is sitting right now on a resistance. Okay, and bearing in mind that dollar will make a retracement, so we may probably see a pullback from this zone, and the next point I'm seeing is this okay, I think we have test here 2 3. Okay, so let's see the Fibonacci ratio. Let's see what it is there. Let's pick up our Fibonacci tool, then take it up from bottom to see the possible retracement. Okay, that's 50% retracement, 50% retracement. So we're also looking at this 50% retracement. I wanted to understand one thing, that these levels is not just a line, it's a zone, and the market may do this. You may see something like this down to 61.8 before the movement up. It could also stop here or not get there exactly. So you have to manage your trade. Don't be greedy. Don't say the market must get to my TP before I close my trade. When you see the market behaving in a way, it's not moving the way you expected it to move, I advise you close your trade, because the market will always be there, and definitely there will be more opportunities. So because I've seen a situation where a winning trade turns to a losing trade, and because we did not do the needful as at when due. All right, so on dollar card, we are looking for a retracement as well to this zone. Yeah, okay. So if we take a trend line, let's see, take a trend line. From this, oh yeah, now you see. So this is another confirmation to what I just said. Now you can see it's an uptrend, so this is just a retracement. So if you know how to trade it, you can go for it for next week. But anytime you're trading a retracement, you got to be very careful, because the market has a way of doing their own things. All right, that's for dollar card. So let's look at gold. Gold is also the same thing. I'm looking for a push up. It has already started to these levels. Yeah, I'm also looking for a push up to this level. So if we look at 1 hour, we can see that it has already started. It has started already. Because if the market must continue downward, this retracement is needed. If the market must continue downward, this retracement is needed. Okay, so I'm looking at go to this level for probably a continuation down, because if you look at the bigger picture, let's look at the weekly chart. And the weekly chart, I'm afraid, I think gold may drop further. Yeah, it may drop further to these levels first again, then from there we can know what else that might happen. All right, back to daily. Yeah, I see massive move. So for me, I'm looking for a retracement to this level on gold before any other movement downward. So that's it on gold. Okay, let's check also BTC, Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin, Bitcoin is on a downtrend. So we are looking at this zone. Okay, so that's it. Now you can see that this is a correction. If you are familiar with Elliott wave analysis, you will see that this is a correction, a simple ABC correction. Okay, this is the A, this is the B, this is the B. So, and you know, in Elliott wave analysis, the A and the C drags equality. So if we do that, we may see this. Okay, so you pick up the A, this is the B, the C, B is there, this is the C. So we are looking for a push up to the 40,000 levels. So we've gotten our zone. Now on that note, we can now bring in our trend line to see, add more confluence to it. Yep. Yep. Now you can see. So we are looking at Bitcoin rallying up to the 41,000 level thereabout. And if it's able to cross that zone, then we may see a further movement to the upside. But for now, we are looking at this continuation of the retracement. The C leg, the A has been done, the B is done. So we are looking for the completion of the C before we could see a push downward or a continuation to the upside. All right, thank you very much, guys. Trade with care. Use proper risk management. Don't overtrade. Don't be carried away, because you may end up losing your account if you overtrade. So be careful. Trade with care, and know that this, you are in for a longer time, not just for few days or few months and you blow your account and that's it. So trade with care, and God bless you. Thank you for watching. Can do well, subscribe to the channel and share, leave a comment. I will appreciate it. Thank you so much.